Creating wall-hanging wooden crafts can be a rewarding endeavor, not only for personal enjoyment but also as a profitable business venture. The appeal of handmade wooden items has grown significantly, with consumers increasingly seeking unique, artisanal products that add character to their homes. Here are several ideas for wall-hanging wooden crafts that you can create and sell for profit. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-hanging wooden craft ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One popular idea is to create custom wooden signs. Personalized wooden signs can cater to various markets, including home decor, weddings, and businesses. You can offer customized options for family names, inspirational quotes, or even directional signs for events. Using reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm that many buyers appreciate. You can enhance your signs with different finishes, such as stains or paints, to suit various tastes and decor styles. Additionally, incorporating design elements like stencils, vinyl decals, or hand lettering can elevate your product's appeal. Marketing these signs on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs can help you reach a wider audience. Another lucrative option is to create wooden wall art featuring geometric designs. Geometric patterns are trendy in home decor and can be made using various types of wood, including plywood or reclaimed timber. You can cut the wood into different shapes, triangles, hexagons, or squares, and arrange them in an eye-catching pattern. Painting each piece in complementary colors or leaving some natural can create a striking visual effect. This type of wall art appeals to modern homeowners looking for unique statement pieces to enhance their living spaces. To increase your sales potential, consider offering custom sizes or color palettes based on customer requests. For those who enjoy woodworking, crafting wooden shelving units can be a profitable venture. Floating shelves or decorative wall-mounted shelves are highly sought after as they provide both functionality and aesthetic appeal. You can create simple designs using reclaimed wood or experiment with more intricate styles that incorporate brackets or unique shapes. Offering customization options, such as different sizes or finishes, will attract customers looking for specific solutions for their spaces. Additionally, consider bundling your shelves with decorative items like plants or books to create attractive displays that encourage purchases. Wooden photo displays are another excellent product idea that combines functionality with creativity. You can design wall-mounted frames or clipboards that allow customers to showcase their favorite memories. These displays can be made from reclaimed wood and customized with paint or stain to match different decor styles. You could also incorporate elements like twine or wire to hang photos in a unique way. This product is especially popular for families and individuals looking to personalize their space with cherished images. Marketing these displays as gifts for special occasions like weddings or anniversaries can further increase your sales. Creating wooden planters or wall-mounted garden boxes is a fantastic idea for those interested in gardening and outdoor decor. With the growing trend of indoor plants and vertical gardening, these products are in high demand. You can craft planters from reclaimed wood, ensuring they are both durable and visually appealing. Consider designing wall-mounted planters that allow customers to display their plants creatively while saving floor space. Offering customization options, such as different sizes or arrangements for multiple plants, will attract buyers looking to enhance their indoor or outdoor spaces. Another innovative idea is to create wooden wall hangings that incorporate macrame techniques. Combining wood with macrame creates a unique blend of textures that appeals to many consumers. You can use wooden dowels or branches as the base and incorporate various knotting techniques to create beautiful wall hangings. Adding elements like feathers, beads, or greenery can enhance the overall design. This type of craft has gained popularity in bohemian and eclectic decor styles, making it an excellent option for targeting specific markets. If you're interested in seasonal products, consider creating holiday-themed wooden decorations. Items like Christmas ornaments, Halloween decorations, or Thanksgiving centerpieces can be made from wood and sold during their respective seasons. Customizing these decorations with names or dates adds a personal touch that many consumers appreciate. You can market these seasonal items through online platforms or local craft fairs, ensuring you have a strong inventory leading up to each holiday. For those who enjoy creating functional art, consider designing wooden key holders or mail organizers. These practical items serve a purpose while also adding aesthetic value to entryways or home offices. You can incorporate hooks for keys, slots for mail, or even small shelves for decorative items. Using reclaimed wood adds a rustic charm that many buyers find appealing. Consider offering customization options, such as personalized engravings or different finishes, to cater to a broader audience. Another profitable idea is to craft wooden wall clocks. Unique wooden clocks can serve as both functional timepieces and decorative art pieces in homes and offices. You can experiment with different shapes and sizes, from minimalist designs to elaborate artistic creations. Incorporating natural wood grain patterns into your designs will enhance their appeal. Additionally, offering customization options like different clock mechanisms or personalized engravings will attract customers looking for unique gifts. If you're skilled in woodworking techniques like pyrography, wood burning, consider creating detailed wooden wall art featuring intricate designs or landscapes. Pyrography allows you to add depth and texture to your pieces while showcasing your artistic skills. This type of craft appeals to consumers who appreciate handmade art and are willing to invest in unique pieces for their homes. You can sell these artworks through online marketplaces, local galleries, or art shows. A growing trend in home decor is the use of reclaimed wood for creating rustic wall hangings that celebrate nature and wildlife. Crafting pieces featuring silhouettes of animals, trees, or landscapes resonates with nature lovers and adds a unique touch to home decor. You can use various techniques such as painting, staining, or even incorporating mixed media elements like metal accents to enhance your designs. This niche market allows you to target customers who appreciate eco-friendly products and want to bring a bit of the outdoors into their homes. Creating wooden letterboards is another profitable idea that combines functionality with creativity. These boards allow users to display quotes, messages, or reminders using interchangeable letters made from wood. The versatility of letterboards makes them appealing for various settings: homes, offices, classrooms, or events. You can offer customization options regarding size and color schemes to cater to different tastes and preferences. For those interested in woodworking techniques involving laser cutting, consider creating intricate designs that can be used as wall art or decorative panels. Laser-cut wooden pieces allow for detailed patterns that are difficult to achieve by hand. You can create geometric designs, floral patterns, or even personalized monograms that resonate with customers looking for unique decor items. Marketing these products through social media platforms, showcasing the intricate details of your work, can help attract potential buyers. If you're looking for a more interactive product idea, consider creating DIY wooden craft kits for customers interested in crafting their own wall hangings. These kits could include pre-cut wooden pieces, paint or stain options, and instructions for assembling their unique designs. This approach allows customers to engage with the crafting process while providing them with a finished product they can proudly display in their homes. Offering themed kits, such as seasonal decorations or personalized signs, can further enhance your sales potential. Another creative option is crafting 3D wooden wall art that incorporates layers of wood for added dimension and interest. This technique involves cutting various shapes from wood and layering them to create depth in the design. You can experiment with different themes, such as abstract patterns, landscapes, or animal motifs, to cater to diverse customer preferences. In conclusion, there are numerous ideas for wall-hanging wooden crafts that you can create and sell for profit. From personalized signs and geometric wall art to functional items like shelves and photo displays, the possibilities are vast and varied. By tapping into current trends while incorporating your unique style and craftsmanship into each piece, you can carve out a niche within the handmade market that resonates with customers seeking quality artisanal products for their homes. With dedication and creativity at the forefront of your efforts, turning this passion into a profitable business is certainly within reach. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor? Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.